the Montana Science Center. Today we are making baked Parmesan zucchini. The ingredients you will need are zucchinis, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, oregano, salt, garlic, basil, thyme, pepper, and pepper. The materials you will need are a knife, a grater, measuring cups, a pan, a bowl, and a cutting board. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then wash your hands and the zucchinis. Start by cutting off the ends of your zucchinis. Then cut your zucchini into fourths. Next, add your dry ingredients to the bowl. First, grate a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Next, add a half a teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of basil, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Then stir it together. Drizzle of olive oil on your zucchini. Next, sprinkle your dry ingredients onto the zucchini. Now they're ready to bake. Leave them in the oven until tender. That should take about 15 minutes. Then broil. Then enjoy! Save some seeds if you want to plant them.